What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Stock Block. Today we're going over the top 5 beginner mistakes and how to dodge them.
Wall Street got stock like stock block. All up in the house getting ready for the drop. Not as big as the drop from the Bitcoin drop.
You think you need to do something. You buy, you sell, you panic, you trade every 5 minutes. But newsflash, trading with $100 doesn't make you a trader. It just makes you lunch for the big guys. You need to sit on your hands and do something. Go outside, touch grass, because trading every 5 minutes is your first mistake and it's your biggest mistake. You don't need to sit around watching the charts thinking, oh, it's going up, it's going down, what should I do? Just relax and let it go. Dollar cost average your way in. So you finally pick the winner, you dump everything you got into it. What could go wrong, right? Ask anybody who bought Dodge at 70 cents. Diversify your portfolio, because if it looks like a one-trick pony, it's probably about to get shot. Everybody talks about profit, but nobody talks about what you keep. One little tax bill can turn your profits into a sad loss. Learn about taxes and fees before you trade, not after. That's mistake number 3, and you need to look into it. Mistake number 4 is somebody told you set it and forget it. They forgot to tell you to check in every month. Rebalancing doesn't mean panic selling every dip. It just means making sure you're not buying what's crashing this month. If checking in every few months is too much, you need to get a savings account and don't worry about it. Mistake number 5, this is a big one. If someone on the internet is promising you easy money, run. If your cousin's friend's barber told you this coin is the next Bitcoin, ask them how good their last 10 picks went. And if they can't tell you a good answer, do not deal with it. Don't listen to the scams. And if you do end up getting scammed running on some get-rich-quick scheme, make a TikTok video about it so everybody can learn from it. But stay away from the scammers. Stay away from the pump and dumps. Stay away from people telling you this bag is about to blow up for some reason that they can't tell you why. Does the token have utility? Is the stock a good company? What's actually going on? Don't listen to these gurus and do not buy anybody's classes, honestly. That's it. Those are the biggest traps every new trader falls into. If you want the next steps, like how to actually make money instead of donating it to the pros, hit like and subscribe and leave your best or your worst mistakes in the comments. And if you're still holding Dogecoin, that's a bonus. So just let me know. See you next time.